Let's understand oxidation-reduction reactions, also known as redox reactions. Redox reactions involve the transfer of electrons between chemical species. In these reactions, one substance loses electrons while another gains those electrons. When an electron transfers from one atom to another, two processes occur simultaneously. In oxidation, a substance loses electrons and increases its oxidation number. In reduction, a substance gains electrons and decreases its oxidation number. These reactions always occur together. When one substance is oxidized, another must be reduced. A helpful mnemonic to remember this concept is oil rig. Oxidation is loss of electrons. Reduction is gain of electrons. Let's look at a specific example, when iron reacts with oxygen to form iron oxide. In this reaction, iron is oxidized from an oxidation state of 0 to +3. Meanwhile, oxygen is reduced from an oxidation state of 0 to -2. To summarize, redox reactions involve electron transfer between chemical species. Oxidation and reduction processes always occur together. They are two sides of the same reaction. Now that we understand the basics of oxidation-reduction reactions, we are ready to explore their applications and learn how to balance them. Redox reactions are fundamental in many natural and technological processes. They power batteries through controlled electron flow between electrodes. In cellular respiration, redox reactions help convert food into energy. Photosynthesis uses redox reactions to convert light energy into chemical energy. Redox reactions are also essential in metallurgy for extracting metals from ores, and they explain the process of corrosion. To balance redox reactions, we use the half-reaction method, especially in acidic or basic solutions. Let's explore the step-by-step process. After separating the reaction and balancing main atoms, we balance oxygen by adding water molecules. Then we balance hydrogen by adding hydrogen ions in acidic solution or hydroxide ions in basic solution. Next, we balance the charge by adding electrons to the appropriate half reaction. We then multiply the half reactions to equalize electron transfer. Finally, we combine the half reactions, cancel common terms, and verify that both mass and charge are balanced. Let's work through an example of balancing a redox reaction in acidic solution. Here we have permanganate ion reacting with iron 2+ to form manganese 2+ and iron 3+. First, we separate the reaction into two half reactions: reduction of permanganate to manganese 2+ and oxidation of iron 2+ to iron 3+. For the permanganate reaction, we need to balance oxygen by adding water to the right side. Now we balance hydrogen by adding hydrogen ions to the left side of the permanganate half reaction. To balance charge, we add 5 electrons to the permanganate half reaction and 1 electron to the right side of the iron half reaction. Since we need 5 electrons for the reduction half reaction and 1 electron for the oxidation half reaction, we multiply the iron half reaction by 5. Finally, we combine the half reactions to get our balanced equation. The electrons cancel out, and we have our final balanced redox reaction. This balanced equation confirms that both mass and charge are conserved in the redox reaction. This systematic half-reaction method can be applied to balance any redox reaction in solution, whether in acidic or basic conditions.